YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Thursday. First of all, I would like to thank Christy Johnson, the VP from London Johnson Inc. for sending me this free sample to do a review. You could also get this from their website or Amazon. I will be including the link that's going to show it within the description, guys. Okay. So first of all, let's go ahead and check this one out. This is the Brilliant Evolution BRRC135. This is wireless LED plugs, light 6-pack with the remote control. It operates on 3 AA batteries, kitchen under cabinets lighting. You could also use it for within the closet or within the cabinet for the lights. Also, you can use it in the RVs or boats or anything, or like a limousine, because they come with like a 3M double-sided tape, or you could screw them on. Okay, so first of all, let's go within the description and detail real quick. The height for the plug light is about 1.25 inch or 3.2 centimeter, and then the width is about 3.38 inch or 8.6 centimeters. And it comes with the remote, wireless remote. You could adjust the dimmer and also adjust the timer on this. And then the light output, the color is 3000K warm white. The light output looms is about 55. Runtime is about 100 hours. Batteries are included, 3 AA's for each plug, and each plug comes with the 3 of the LEDs bulb. And then the beam angle is about 120 degrees. Wireless remote control up to 15 feet. Number of lights controlled by one remote. You could control up to 10 plugs. Brightness setting is you can set it 50% or 100%, or customize it yourself by pressing the plus and minus sign. And the timer setting is about, you can set it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes for automatic shuts off. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, guys, and enough about those details. This is supposed to be like an air bubble. And then more of this air bubble. It comes with this, I guess, instruction. So at Amazon, this they run about $34.99 right now. If you are Prime member, you get the free shipping. So it includes 6x3 batteries. 3 times 6 packs. So about, it comes with 18 of the AA battery, which is nice. So you don't need to go out there and spend your money to buy batteries. So anyway. And then the review on this at Amazon is pretty good. So let's go ahead and then get this unpacked. Let me show you guys the 360 view at the box real quick. So this is the top. Let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So batteries are inside the puck's light. Remove the plastic. Battery insulation tab prior to use. So it comes with this two small screw, the mounting screws. Those are Phillips size. And then it comes with this 3M double-sided tape that you could tape it on the back here. So those two are the screw holes. Okay, so I guess this is a back plate. So here's the plastic tab right here. So you pull it out, and then and it comes with this alkaline battery, which is good, not heavy duty kind, the cheap kind. Okay, another thing about this, this is like a push to turn on. Okay, and then when you mount this under your cabinet, be sure the Wi-Fi symbol is facing toward you or toward the remote control, so it's for the better range. Let me see if I can try to turn this on real quick for you guys. So as you can see, it comes with those 3 LED lights, and these are the 3000K, which is a warm white color. So let me see if I get the remote. Let's see. So here is the remote. There's the off button, which is the red button. Green is the on. And then the positive and minus, you can adjust brighter or less bright. Or you can have a preset, 50% brightness or 100% brightness. And then on the bottom here, where that is the timer, 15 minutes, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. So you can automatically shut it off. So let me remove the tab so I can try to control this. And inside the box, it comes with this owner's manual. Normally, I like to use a rechargeable battery, but since this comes with the battery already, so let's go ahead and then test them out. And these are made in China. Copyright 2017 by London Johnson Inc. So be sure the infrared is facing the Wi-Fi sign right there, or the wireless. So this is on. So I guess this is on at the brightest setting right now. So this is 50%, 100%, and then or you could customize it yourself by pressing the minus sign. Wow, that's very dim. So which is good for those people who are very sensitive to lights. You could set it very dim at nighttime. So you got, let me see, that's the first setting. So that's 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, normally like a 10 setting, because somehow wait, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you could also set the timer. So once you set the timer, it flashes, so you know it's set. Let's see, press off again, press on. So if I press 30, it flashes. So that means the timer has been set. So in case your cabinet has like a see-through glass panel, this would be nice accent to your cabinets. So you put this inside the cabinets or under the cabinet, however you want to customize this to put it on. So it look nice at nighttime. Okay. Anyways, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like this video. Please hit that subscribe button, and then turn on that bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. I will include the company's website and Amazon's their store, so you guys could check them out. Or if you guys are interested, you guys could go ahead and then purchase them. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace. Alright, YouTube. So right now I turn the plug light into the full brightness. Okay. And I'm gonna press 1 at a time for the negative button or the minus to see how many level we could count down. Okay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yeah, it has a 15 level for dimmer setting, okay? Which is pretty awesome. Because normally other puck light, they only have 5 to 10 setting for the dimmable. And this one has a 15. So I'm pretty surprised. And then another thing about the controller, if you just press and hold it on the plus sign, you don't need to hit one at a time. Once you hold the plus, it's just going to go to however setting the brightness that you're going to set to, and then just let it go. So you don't need to press one at a time, you know. You just press and hold down. So it'll be faster, because since this has a 15 level for the dimmer, so you don't need to press like 15 times, you know, one at a time. Okay, so another thing I want to point it out is that when you use the remote to turn it on, whatever the brightness is at, for example, right now it's 50%. So when you manually turn it on and up on the puck, it's just whatever that it was set it on with or by the remote controller. Okay, so if I set it to 100%, and when I toggle on and off switch, then whatever that was set at 100% is gonna go on and off. So imagine if I turn it all the way down with the controller, and if you may not turn on and off from the puck light, so that was whatever that was set to. All right, so that's another thing that I want to point it out for the review.